Bitch, they want to pay me for that.
You a model, bitch.
You heard me? You see me, sis? From the side, bitch. Hold on. Them ain't my titties. Them ain't my titties. But I ain't mad that they put somebody else's titties on me. You understand me, bitch? Make me an A cup if you want to, okay? Cause these get on my motherfucking nerves. Bitch, I can't stand them. You hear me? Big titty bitch, where you at? I'm still breastfeeding a nigga. I don't even know where he is. That nigga swinging on a titty somewhere, okay? It's hard to break up with niggas when you got big titties, y'all. It's hard. Bitch, I promise. Them niggas don't know how to quit, DJ. You look like you a titty man, too. Hey, DJ. I like niggas with stomachs. Niggas with stomachs is good, y'all. Them niggas give hula hoop dick. That nigga be like this. That's that stomach motion on your ass. You know what I'm saying, huh, DJ? Give me a purr. You. Shit. Make me feel good in this little bit motherfucker. Bitch, I thought I was coming into the motel. I was like, nigga, I can turn some tricks in this bitch up. I pulled up outside like, nah, I done set a couple of niggas up, bitch. Ratchet Tracy done set a couple of niggas up. Y'all got me fucked up. Y'all gonna bring me back to the trap. You understand? I know a $5 motel when I see one. Bitch, he pay $5 and he give you the 40. You understand me? Fuck you mean, bitch, we ain't gotta pay all that money for no hotel. I wish a nigga would. Spend $250 at a hotel. The fuck, nigga, we spending $50 and I'm getting the $200. Ratchet Tracy, bitch, I gotta get my nails done. Friend right here was looking like she was ready to go. I said, friend, go on, hurry up and call me. Go on, call me, cause that bitch was ready to go. Y'all know how I knew she was ready to go? That bitch like doing it right here. Anytime you see a bitch get to rubbing them braids like that right here, and rubbing that hair up in there trying to find a part to pull in that motherfucker, bitch is starting to go. Who? That bitch was ready to go. That bitch was about to do this here, but she was classy. She was classy. Not me, bitch, not me. I'm over there like, Sis in the back was like, I was like, clap it up for Carlos Miller. Y'all ain't think that was him. I thought that was him. Y'all ain't. Free you did. Go and say something, because they gonna think it was just me, bitch. I thought that was Carlos Miller from 85 South Show, bitch. I was like, I done pulled up in some noise, bitch. This motherfucker private, bitch. Y'all don't know why I was giving comedy in last night, bitch. This hoe was private, Carlos Miller with her. I'm stupid. Anyways, y'all, my name is Ratchet Tracy. Y'all can find me on all platforms. I ain't even give y'all no motherfucking jokes, but if y'all like this Ratchet 6, say hey. Hey. DJ, I heard you, DJ. That nigga said, he did that. All right, y'all. It's my motherfucking time, y'all. Come on up here and get the motherfucking microphone. Hey, gonna play me some DJ so I can shake the head right quick.